Okay, it's Monday, so I am here with another tutorial for you. Today we will be learning how to crochet a circle. This was a scrappy circle, so it has a color change in it, but we will not be changing colors today. We will just be doing a solid circle. And then in the next video, I will teach you how to change this circle into a square, because we will be doing a project coming up next. So if you want to get in on the project, make 5 of these circles, and then we will come back and change the circles into squares, and we will make our first granny circle, square, however you say it, beanie. So let's get started. I am using this red heart yarn right here, and the color is citron green, and it requires a 5mm crochet hook. Well, 5.5mm crochet hook. I've got a 5mm, so let me change that. That's the 5.5mm. It's a worsted weight 4-ply yarn, and we are going to get started with this circle. I do have my stitch markers just in case you need a stitch marker, and a needle to sew in your ends. And I have my scissors here to cut the tails off at the end. So we will be doing a solid circle today, just like this one. So let's get started. First off, you're going to do your slip knot. Slip knot, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're going to slip stitch in that first chain you made. Slip stitch, and you have your circle to start with. First off, we're going to chain 2. That does not count as one of your double crochet. We're going to do 12 double crochet. That's 1 double crochet is yarn over, go through that loop, yarn over, pull back through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 2, 3. We're going to do 12 of these. Continue with your 12 and I'll be back. Okay, we've got our 12 double crochet in round 1. We're going to skip this chain 2 and slip stitch into that first double crochet right there. Chain 2, we're on round 2. So now we're going to put 2 stitches into each double crochet. That'll be 24. So starting with that first one, 2 double crochet in that one, 2 double crochet in this one, 2 double crochet in the next one. We're going to repeat that all the way around. You should have 24 stitches when you finish. I'll be back. Okay, I'm here with my 22 stitches. We're going to make our last 2 double crochet in this last stitch. And if you are a true beginner, make sure you count these stitches, because some people think this is a stitch right here and they will double crochet into that, and that is going to set your count off. So make sure you are counting your stitches when you get to this point. But this is 24 double crochet in round 2, and we're going to slip stitch to join that round, and we're going to start on our last round, which is 3. chain 2, put 1 double crochet in that same stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in the next. And that is going to be a repeat all the way around. And at the end, you count and make sure you have 36 stitches. I'll be back. Okay, I am now at my last 2 stitches. This is round 3. I'm going to put 1 stitch in that one and 2 double crochet stitches in the last one, and you should have 36 double crochet. And that's your double crochet circle. So during the next few days, I need you to make 5 of these, because when we come back, we will be making a granny square beanie out of it. So you need 5 of these, and I will come back and show you how to turn it into a square. And then in the next video, I will come back and show you how to put it together. So this is the end of our tutorial for today. Y'all have a great day. Be sure to subscribe, hit that subscribe button down below. Like, comment, share, do whatever you need to do to get it out there, and get those circles done. Y'all have a great day.